The for loop is similar to the while in that it's a way of doing something over and over again, but it looks really different. We have the keyword for, round brackets, and then a three-part expression, which I'll explain in a moment, and then the action. And again, if you want a multi-line action, it should be surrounded by braces, and even if it's a single line action, braces is still a good idea. Let me break the three parts that are inside the round brackets out, one per line. We start with the initializer. Now this example on the slide declares an integer I, and that's only going to have scope until the for loop is over. You can reuse something that happens to already be in scope and just give it a value in the initializer. Then you have the condition. Like the while, if the condition isn't true, we won't run the loop even once. So for example, if I initialized I to 11 and then checked to see if it was less than 10, the loop would not run even once. And then the loop expression, which typically changes the value being used in the condition. In this case, it's incrementing I by 1. Also, like while, you can leave early with break, and there's something called continue, which will let you skip the rest of the loop and just go straight to the loop expression. And it'll do that, changing the value, and then test the condition and come back in and do another iteration of the loop. There's another kind of for called ranged for that I will talk about later in this course when you have some of the sorts of collections that we typically use the ranged for with. So for now, we'll use this kind of classic for in the next demo.